Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, I Muhammad Abdul Habib welcome you all to AIMS tutorial for accounts. In this video, I'll be explaining the chapter recording of business transactions, journal entries for intermediate first year students for Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. Let us have a problem. Page number 63, question number 5. Generalize the following transactions in books of Dinesh. So who is the owner here? Mr. Dinesh is the owner. So the heading will be journal entries in books of Mr. Dinesh, and the format for journal entries is date, particulars. LF stands for ledger folio, debit amount rupees, credit amount rupees, and the transactions are given for the year 2019 for the month of April. The first transaction is given on April 1st. Dinesh started business with cash 50,000. So the journal entry for this will be recorded as first. The date will be taken as 2019 April 1st. So he is investing an amount of rupees 50,000 into the business. So cash is coming into the business, which will be recorded as cash account debit. Cash account debit to the amount which the owner has invested into the business will be called as his capital. So it will be recorded as Dinesh capital account, and the narration will be written as being business started. So after the entry, just draw a line. He has invested rupees 50,000 into the business. So 50,000 will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, and 50,000 will be recorded on credit side of the journal entry. So 50,000 will be recorded on debit side, as well as 50,000 will be recorded on credit side. Next, after April 1st, we have a transaction on April 2nd. Sale of goods for cash 10,000 rupees. Sale of goods in the sense you are selling the goods and you are receiving cash. So cash is coming into the business, and sales, it is an income to the business. So cash will be recorded on debit side, and the journal entry will be cash account debit to sales account, and the narration will be being goods sold for cash. So after the entry, just draw a line. So you are selling the goods for rupees 10,000. So 10,000 will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, and 10,000 will be recorded on credit side of the journal entry. Next, after April 2nd, we have a transaction on April 4. Purchased goods for cash 15,000. So the date will be taken as April 4th. Purchases of goods for cash means purchases, it is an expenditure to the business. So purchases will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, and when you are purchasing the goods, you are required to make the payment. So cash is going from the business, so cash will be recorded on credit side. तो जब आप सामान खरीद रहे, it is an expenditure, खर्चा जो है वो डेबिट में लिखेंगे, purchases account debit, बदले में आप उसके पैसे दे रहे, and the narration will be recorded as being goods purchased, being goods purchased for cash. सामान खरीद रहे, बदले में उसके पैसे कीमत अदा कर दे रहे आप. After the journal entry, just draw a line, and you are purchasing the goods for rupees 15,000. So 15,000 will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, as well as 15,000 will be recorded on credit side of the journal entry. Next, after April 4, we have a transaction on April 6. Sold plant and machinery for cash 5,000 rupees. Sold plant and machinery का मतलब आप plant and machinery बेच दे रहे, जिसके बदले में आपको 5,000 रुपये कैश आ रहा. So the date will be taken as April 6 and April 6, and the transaction will be recorded here as cash is coming. When you are selling plant and machinery, cash is coming into the business. So cash account debit to, in return for cash, you are giving plant and machinery. As you are selling the plant and machinery, now plant and machinery will be going from the business. क्योंकि आप plant and machinery बेच दे रहे, बदले में पैसा आ रहा, तो पैसा आ रहा, cash is recorded on debit side, बदले में plant and machinery जा रही, which will be recorded on credit side, and the narration will be written as being plant and machinery sold, being plant and machinery sold. After the entry, just draw a line, and you are selling the plant and machinery for rupees 5,000. So 5,000 will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, as well as 5,000 will be recorded on credit side of the journal entry. So 5,000 will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, and 5,000 will be recorded on credit side of the journal entry. Next, after April 6, we have a transaction on April 10. Cash paid to Rahim 3,000. So cash paid to Rahim in the sense cash is going from the business. Who is the receiver of cash? Rahim is the receiver of cash. So the date will be taken as April 10, and Rahim will be debited as he is the receiver of cash. Rahim name will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, and the journal entry will be Rahim account debit to cash account. So as you are paying cash, cash is going from the business, and the narration will be recorded as being cash paid to Rahim. After the entry, just draw a line. And what is the amount of cash that you are paying to Mr. Rahim? You are paying rupees 3000. So 3000 will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, as well as 3000 will be recorded on credit side of the journal entry. So 3000 will be recorded on debit side of the entry, as well as 3000 will be recorded on credit side of the entry. Next, after April 10, we have a transaction on April 14, salaries paid. Salaries paid 8000. So salaries paid in the sense it is an expenditure to the business, and the date is taken as April 14, and all expenditures will be recorded on debit side. So the journal entry will be salaries account debit, salaries account debit to cash account. When you are paying salaries, cash is going from the business. So the narration will be, so the journal entry will be salaries account debit to cash account, and the narration will be being salaries paid. After the entry, just draw a line, and you are paying a salary of rupees 8000. So 8000 will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, as well as 8000 will be recorded on credit side of the journal entry. तो आप डेबिट में भी 8000 लिखेंगे, क्रेडिट में भी 8000 लिखेंगे. So 8000 will be recorded on debit side of the journal entry, as well as 8000 will be recorded on credit side of the journal entry. Hope you have understood the topic, and hope you have liked my video. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel AIMS Tutorial for Accounts. And if you are a new subscriber to my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Do like my video, post your valuable comments, and do share it with your friends, relatives and all. Your one share can help someone to learn something. See you all in next video. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.